Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can edit your WooCommerce thank you page, so let's get right into it. As you'll see, I'm on an online article at the moment because I cannot afford a WooCommerce subscription, so I'll be using this to get you guys informed on how you can do this. You can do this in a couple of different ways. You can use plugins, you can use a redirect, and I'll mainly be focusing on plugins in this video, so let's get right into it. Now you can use the thank you pages customizer, which you can add from the shop. You just need to go to plugins and add new and search for the WooCommerce thank you page customizer. Then just click install now and then activate it. It is free as far as I'm aware. You do need a business plan on WordPress though, so just keep that in mind. And then in the dashboard, you just need to go to the thank you page, and over there you can choose different sections to customize. You can add a thank you message, order details, and etc. Then you can use the visual builder to drag and drop elements to make them fit however you want. You can also use the built-in preview function to see how your changes look in real time, and once you're done you can just click publish and save your choices. You can also use funnel kit, install it in the same way you would the customizer, and once you install it, just go to funnel kit, go to funnels, select the create funnel, choose thank you, and you can also import it or select start from blank, and check the thank you checkbox. Once you check that, and once the template is loaded, just click edit to customize it. You can add or remove elements, whichever you want, images, text blocks, buttons, etc. You can also customize the layout by dragging and dropping as far as I know, and after customization, you just need to navigate to the setup to ensure that the thank you works. Once you're done, just publish it, save the changes, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.